Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to delve into a performance battle between the DeWalt vacuum and other leading vacuum brands on the market. If you're wondering how the DeWalt vacuum stacks up against its competition, you're about to find out. Let the cleaning showdown begin. Please check the description link, I will provide detailed information. When it comes to choosing a vacuum, performance is key. Let's take a closer look at how the DeWalt vacuum compares to other brands in terms of cleaning power, suction strength, filtration efficiency, and durability. Performance comparison. In terms of cleaning power, the DeWalt vacuum stands out from the crowd. Its motor delivers exceptional suction, allowing it to tackle even the toughest messes. This is where the DeWalt vacuum truly shines, leaving no trace of dirt or debris behind. Suction strength. When it comes to suction strength, the DeWalt vacuum proves its worth. Its powerful motor generates impressive suction that effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, and even larger particles from various surfaces. With its superior suction strength, the DeWalt vacuum ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Filtration efficiency. Maintaining clean and allergen-free air is essential for a healthy living environment. The DeWalt vacuum incorporates advanced filtration technology, ensuring efficient capture of dust, allergens, and other microscopic particles. It is designed to provide exceptional filtration efficiency, rivaling top-tier brands in the market. Durability. Durability is a crucial factor when investing in a vacuum, and the DeWalt vacuum excels in this area. DeWalt is renowned for its robust and rugged tools, and the vacuum is no exception. It's built to withstand demanding tasks in challenging environments, making it a reliable companion for years to come. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.